Good morning, Tahmina Khan is here in TKMaths is Fun. In today's video, which is video number 2 on statistics to see the concept of mean, mode, median and range. In this question, we will see in terms of frequency distribution. In the earlier 2 videos, we did it without the frequency distribution table. You can see the link in the description below and see those videos. So to calculate the mean when the frequency distribution table is given to you, students mostly apply the formula straight away, sigma fx divided by sigma f, which is very right if they apply it correctly. Sigma f, I'm talking about denominator first, is basically representing how many data do you have. So let's consider here or make a situation here that this data is about students and their marks, right? So for example, frequency is telling you number of students and x is telling you their marks. We are just making up this situation. So 5 students obtain 30 marks. 6 students obtain 35 marks. So how many students were there? You will add up 5, 6, 10, 8, 7, 5, 2. So total is 43. So there are 43 students. So altogether their marks are how many? One way is that you write here 30, 30, 30, 30, 35 times. Then 35, 35, 35, 35, 35, 35, 6 times. And then add up, which you don't need to, because 5 times 30 simply means 5 multiplied by 30. And that is the meaning of f times x. When you write sigma fx, you see I'm doing here what? F multiplied by x, 5 into 30. Sigma mean sum. So similarly, I will do 5 times 30 plus 6 times 35 plus 10 times 40, which I have done here for you. You can see here. And then after that, you will add it up. The result is 1865. So now if I want to find out mean, I just need to divide it. Let me divide it now. 1865 divided by 43. So the mean marks of the class of 43 students is equals to 43.37. Right? You can write in 2 decimal or 1 decimal, depends what is asked in the question. Otherwise, we give answer in 3 significant figure, which it will be 43.4. Okay. Let me just divide one more time. 1865 divided by 43. Okay, correct. Now comes mode. Mode is easiest part, very easy, because you just see which frequency is the highest. So you tell me for which data the frequency is the highest. This one, you're right, 10. This one. So my mode is 40 because the highest frequency is 10 here. So mode will be 40. I will come to median later because range is also easy. So I am doing here part D first, which is for range. Let me write here so that there is no confusion. Mode is 40. And now we will calculate here range first. Okay. The range is basically the difference between the highest data and the lowest data. So highest data is what? Mean what is the highest marks? 60. And what is the lowest mark? 30. So my range will be 60 minus 30, which is 30. Now median is the trickiest part in this case and where students mostly struggle. Now, if you remember, median is the central data, right? So if you see, I have 43 students. If I write down their marks in the line, then central data will be at what place? What is the center of 43? Because 43 is the odd number. So if I ask you to calculate or find out the central position of 43 data, what will you say? It will be at the place of 22nd, sorry. It will be at the place of 20. Yes, because 21, 22 place. It will be at this place. The data present at 22nd place will be my median, because 21 data will come here and 21 data will come here. So 21 is 42. So this data at the 22nd place will be my median. Now how will I find out which data is at 22nd place? So the technique to handle this question is you need to add a row here which is called cumulative frequency. Okay, let me use green color, cumulative frequency. It means first of all copy down this frequency as it is, like I have shown you here. 30 is written. Then 5 plus 6 is what? 11. It means from 6th place till 11th place you will have which data? 35. I will write it down also to show you, because this is the point where students get confused. So let me write here just to show a bit. First of all, suppose I'm writing 30 here 5 times, right? And then it is 35 for next 6 places. 35. So it means कि first 5 places पे these are the students' marks. Then this is my 6th place to 11th place. This is 1st place to 5th place, and so on. The rest I'm not writing here. I can't write 43 datas here. So the point here is if 1 to 5 place is 30, then 6th place to 11th place is 35, then from 12th place to onward it is next data. So you just need to keep adding up. 11 plus 10 is 21, 21 plus 8 is 29, 29 plus 7 is 36, 36 plus 1 is 41, and then 43. So what does it mean? It simply means that from 6th place to 11th place you have this data. From 12th place, this color is not obvious, from 12th place to 21st place you have this data. 22nd place to 29th place you have this data, and we are looking for which place data? 22nd. So at the 22nd place I have this data, so my median is 45. This is how you find out median. This part I have just done to explain to you the meaning. Otherwise you need to just add one row which is called cumulative frequency. So I hope you understood it. Thank you very much for watching it. For any query you can write down in the comment box, and you can share it with your friends, and please press subscribe and like button. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.